Hi guys, welcome to Saturday in my life. So it just occurred to me that when I was filming this video, not one word was said, and that's actually true because most days when I wake up in the morning, I do not speak unless if I get a phone call or I have to say good morning and just have a full conversation with my husband. So on this particular Saturday, I'm headed for the gym and I have a full day loaded for me. So my plan for the day is workout, have breakfast, try to make lunch, and head out for my nail appointment. I actually have my first nail appointment here in Calgary today. I'm trying out this new nail tech that was recommended to me, and I want to see if she actually does a good job. Fingers crossed. So once I'm done with my nails, my next thing is just to come back home and try to edit a video and then wrap it up for the day. So that's my plan for this Saturday. So now I'm done with my goal. I've started working out more this year. I hope I continue. I am trying to make sure that every single day I move and close all my rings. Up next, I'm trying to change out my bed sheets because it's Saturday. Most Saturdays I do laundry, but today I'm not really doing laundry. I'm just taking out stuff. I'll try to do my laundry tomorrow because today I have a full day booked ahead. I really do not like changing the duvet cover. I always do this with Shay, but today he isn't around, so I have to do it by myself. I was going to wait for him to come back home, but I decided against it because I want to go and try to make breakfast as well and take a bath so I can head out for my appointments. I don't want to be late. This is my first appointment, so let me not start with lateness before they be on me. There's something I noticed though. I was trying to check online on a website on where to do hair, and I noticed that a lot of vendors here put like lateness fee. So if you come late or you cancel your appointment, you will pay a fine. So I don't want to I don't want that to happen to me. So up next, I'm actually just going to make chips. I know this is not the healthiest option, but please just spare me with the judgment. So I want to make chips and have some fried eggs, and that's what's going to be for breakfast. I'm actually not a breakfast person, but today I'm just having breakfast just because. Mm-hmm. Coming. In the morning. Yes, I can. So it's about past 10 a.m. and I'm actually having my first full conversation, and I'm actually on the phone with a friend. It just reminds me of the time when I was living alone. Like on some days, I would literally not speak from morning till evening, and then I'll be like, hold on. Let me call someone and just to check that all is well. I've not lost my voice. So I still have those days where I do not see anything or we just don't talk, just because there's really nothing to talk about. You're just going about doing your day-to-day activity. And today was one of those days. Anyway, breakfast is ready and it's time for me to quickly eat so I can take a bath and get out of here because, like I said, I don't want to be late for disappointment. Okay, I took a bath and I quickly want to make okra soup. So I got this frozen okra from Superstore, and I just find it fascinating that in this country you can just find some items. Like in Poland, it wasn't so easy for you to get things like okra or even tilapia fish or palm oil, but here you can just readily get them. I'm very happy that I can get them. So today I'm just going to make seafood okra. So I got this I think tilapia, and I don't remember the name of the fish, to be honest, and a mackerel. So I'm going to be making fish okra, right? But first things first, I need to arrange my plates because I think I washed plates from last night and they are all dried and it's time to put them away. Today I'm not cleaning the house because I'm not the one on cleaning duties, so I'm just going to cook and get out. That's the good part about this whole thing. Remember in my other video I talked about chores and 50-50 and all of that in marriage. If you haven't watched that, you should definitely check that out. So this afternoon I'm making okra soup and yeah, let's get into it.
I don't want to become a nurse.
And his wife Binta have arrived to offer their condolences, while Governor Sanusi is yet to release a statement.
We're sorry about all that has happened. We cannot imagine the pain we all are feeling right now. Please accept our deepest condolences. This man has the chief of the
Everybody's on fire. Yeah, yeah. Let me tell you where I'm coming from. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, at this point I'm like rushing because my time is almost up. I need to try to get an Uber to head for this nail appointment. So I'm actually going to quickly have lunch before I leave this house. I'm having the okra soup and oats flour. I use oat flour to make swallow. Is a more healthier option than semovita or poundo yam. So that's what I'm having. Right after this, I'm just going to try to rush out of the house because my appointment is at 12:30 and this is already past 12 in the Uber, and it's time for us to go for the nail appointment.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It told me be patient.
Hi guys, welcome back. I don't know if I said that already. I don't think I did. One thing about me, I'ma do my nails. It doesn't matter what I'm going through. My nails just have a way of uplifting my spirit, and because it's my first nails with my first nail set with my nail tech, she gave me a gift in my favorite color. She just asked me, what's your color, what's your favorite color, and I told her green, and that's how she gave me a green bag with chocolates inside. Anyway, you can patronize her. I'm going to put her handle on the screen if you're in Calgary looking for where to get your nails done. She does a fantastic job. As you can see, my nails are popping. Anyway, you know what's going on right now is that I came here with an Uber and I wanted to try to take the bus back home, but I'm not understanding the bus direction, and then I'm seeing that it's like a 45 minutes walk, and I'm like, would it be so crazy to actually go on a walk? Or normally I would do a walk. How about I do that walk? I don't know. Would cold kill me? Would it not kill me? Let's watch and see. So let me try to find how to get out of here. I don't know where I am. Okay, so I figured it out. It's actually kind of a straight road. If I just keep walking straight for the next 1 hour, I will get home. So maybe I should do it. Save money. One, add as a workout. Two, add as me figuring out, like, have a sense of navigation of this city. 3, like, those are all the pros. Now what are the cons? Die of the cold. Today is actually -3 degrees. I'm wearing thermal wear, so I don't think cold is going to be my problem yet. Let's see whether I'm going to say the same thing if I'm walking for almost 1 hour. It's saying 50 something minutes, just approximating it to 1 hour. It might be shorter because, you know, Google Map gives you an estimate based on average walking speed. But if I'm walking faster, I might get there faster. Guys, come with me as I explore the city of Calgary, as I walk all the way from northwest to southwest. Let's see how that goes. Fingers crossed. See ya. Any interesting thing I see on the way, I'll take a picture. So I'll be listening to music as well. So bye later. In case you're wondering, this is my view right now, and I'm like 10 minutes in. I haven't gone anywhere. I still have a chance to take a bus or something, but no, we move. Not be my mates, they run, so I'm supposed to be running as well. But yeah, I hope I don't fall sick. That's that thing. But look at this. Look at this. This is actually what I see when I go on those my walks. Walk along this path. It's called the Bow River Path, according to Google Map. So far, 20 minutes in. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Wondering what my face looks like now. I'm red. I feel good. Da, 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 da. That's all the updates. Let's keep going. We have 30 more minutes and we'll be home. And immediately I get home, I'm going to do a very hot cup of coffee. Sorry, cup of tea actually. And I'll just enter the blankets and hide. Yeah, bye. 35 minutes in and we're almost done. My battery is almost gone, but I know I'm going to make it. Okay, I can see I'm going to make it. But yeah, bye. When I get home, I'll talk to you guys because this battery is going to die now. And 53 minutes later, I have 2 more minutes. I can see my building already. So yeah, exercise ring closed. A few hours later. Okay, a few hours later, I've had the tea I said I was going to have. Like, I came home and I was so cold. I had to take a hot bath and go to bed. And I woke up not long after. Did I edit the video? Hell no, I did not. So right now it's past 9 and I'm trying to pack food and put in the freezer and just tidy up before I go to bed.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you call me to my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm annoyed. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Baby, can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of your trumpet. What do you want from a life of your hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise to the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes I'm giving. Crying out from the shine, now calm-minded. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for
Where is
that the day is finally over, everything is done, I just lay down to do a little bit of journaling and then continue reading this book I've been reading. So this is Purple Hibiscus by Chimamanda Adichie. I hope you enjoy spending the day with me. Do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.